Namaskar. The monsoon season brings a higher risk of infection and varieties of illnesses. So it is essential to focus on strengthening your immune system. Seasons will come and go, viruses will come and go, but your immunity should be very strong. Today, I am going to tell you how yoga can help you improve your immunity during monsoon. Let's see 3 asanas first. First asana is Bhujangasana. This is a gentle back bend. So in Bhujangasana, lie down on your stomach. Bring your both arms at the chest level, palm facing downwards, elbows touching your body. And now, while inhaling, lift your head and neck, shoulders, and little chest above the ground. Let the navel touch the ground. Stay in this position for some time and come back to normal position. This asana promotes spinal circulation and keeps the spine flexible. It improves and deepens breathing and stimulates appetite. All these things are important to build a strong immune system. Next asana is Matsyasana. In Matsyasana, stretching of abdominal and chest muscle gives internal massage to your respective organs. So let's understand how to do Matsyasana. Lie down on your back and cross your both legs in Padmasana position. Stay in this position for some time. Come back to normal position. In Matsyasana, stretching of abdominal and chest muscle gives internal massage to your respective organs. Stretching of your neck muscle helps in regulation of the thyroid function and the thymus gland. This in turn improves the metabolism and immune system. And this is essential during the monsoon. And the third asana is Sarvangasana, which is an inversion pose. Lie down on your back, both legs together, both arms on the side. Now, first inhale fully, and while exhaling, lift your both legs up, above the ground, up, pointing your toes towards the ceiling. Lift your body, lift your hips and your back with the support of your palm. Stay in this position for some time, preferably for 1 to slowly 2 minutes. Do abdominal breathing here, gentle, and then come back to the normal position. This asana improves the functioning of your thyroid, parathyroid, and pituitary gland. Here, there is an effect of gravity on the various organs of your body above the waist, including the endocrine glands. It also improves the blood circulation and lymphatic drainage, aiding in detoxification due to monsoon season. Now we have a pranayama called Ujjayi. Ujjayi, or the victorious breath, involves breathing and breathe out deeply through the nose with the slight constriction in the throat. So sit in a meditative pose. Breathe in, making a constriction in the throat where the sound could be hissing sound. And the same hissing sound would be felt when you breathe out from the throat. The air is coming from nose, but the constriction is at the throat level. And this is called Ujjayi Pranayama. Ujjayi is a powerful pranayama. It clears up phlegm and increases appetite. It is especially beneficial in chronic cold, cough, indigestion, liver problem, dysentery, fever, and other problems. Regular practice of Ujjayi helps in maintaining a robust immune system. Another beautiful Kriya to boost immunity is Jalti. This is a cleansing technique using warm saline water to irrigate your nasal passages. For Jalti, you need to take a glass of warm water, drinking water, add little salt to it, saline, and suck the warm water, taking it in the palm, closer to your nose, sucking the air in. So the water will go from nose to your throat and open the mouth, and the water will come out from the mouth. Some may go in your throat. So do this on both the side, and this is how do Jalti systematically. This practice clears the nasal passages, removing allergens and pathogens, and enhances respiratory health, which is particularly beneficial during the monsoon when colds are very common. Then we have a mudra called as Surya Mudra. For this, bend your ring finger and press it down with the thumb while keeping other fingers extended. Sit in this for 5 minutes with closed eyes. This mudra increases the internal heat and boosts metabolism by improving your digestion. All these things are required for your stronger immune response. Here, I would also like to give you a recipe for a powerful immunity drink that you can have every morning. Take 4 to 5 Krishna Tulsi leaves. These are good for throat infection. 1 inch grated ginger or 1/4 spoon of dried ginger powder. 1 tablespoon jaggery, 1 teaspoon turmeric, 1 cup water, a few drops of lemon juice. Boil water with ginger and tulsi leaves. Add the jaggery and turmeric. Then squeeze a few drops of lemon juice. Each ingredient adds its unique property. Tulsi is antibacterial, ginger is anti-inflammatory, jaggery is a natural sweetener that aids in digestion, turmeric is a powerful antioxidant, and lemon is rich in vitamin C. Along with this drink, include a spoon of ghee in your breakfast to enhance your digestive system. Eat green vegetables like spinach and methi for their rich nutrient contents. But during monsoon, these green vegetables are more likely to carry insects and germs. So make sure you clean it well and cook nicely by boiling it. Fruits such as pomegranate, pineapple, papaya, and amla are excellent for immunity. A tablespoon of honey with ginger between meals can act as a natural tonic. When seasons change, remember, only you can take charge of it. By including these yoga practice and holistic habits, you can definitely boost your immune system and enjoy a healthier monsoon season. Take care of yourself, stay healthy, and enjoy every season well. Namaskar.